Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some slime hacks that can hopefully make your slime making process a lot easier. So let's get into it. So the first hack is to use lotion in your slime so it could be more stretchy. Now if you've seen my past slime videos, I've used this lotion in almost all of them and it seems to work fine. So the next hack also involves lotion, and it's just adding lotion to hard slime so it makes it softer. And you just mix it together. So the third hack is if you don't have food coloring, you can use markers to color your slime. And in almost all of my past videos, I use markers to color my slime because I don't own food coloring. So you're just going to open your marker and then just put dots in your slime and then mix it. So the last hack that I have for you guys is to use scented markers to scent your slime. So this marker is scented Tropical Punch Magenta. And you do the same thing with the slime. You uncap the marker and then just poke the slime. So now this slime smells just like the marker. Now I'm just going to mix both of the slimes since they're both pink. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you go check out my new Instagram account. Bye!